Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given a diagram that has a horizontal field ABCD parallelogram. TC is a vertical building at corner C, and some of the lengths are given, okay? A, find the area of the field. So for part A, right? To find area of the field, perhaps it will be good and easy for me to just pull out this diagram here so that it's easier for us to see. So this will be for part A. And notice what Mr. Tan is going to do. There. Mr. Tan is going to cut this field, which is a parallelogram, into two parts. And because it is a parallelogram, so again Mr. Tan is going to just hide away this so that it's neater for us to see. This is 32. And if I can find the area of a triangle ADC, I just need to multiply by 2. I can find the whole thing, whole parallelogram. And there's a formula for that. Okay? So for part A, the area of this field is equals to half AB sine C, where A and B makes the angle C. So this will be 25, 32 sine of this angle 120. This is only for 1 and I have 2. So this whole thing I will later on need to multiply by 2 for the two triangles, yeah? So then this will give me a value of 692.82. Find SF, final answer 693 meters square. Part B is require us to find length of AC, and looking at this triangle again, we could easily see that we can apply cosine rule since we have this. So for part B, it's a direct application of cosine rule. So my AC is equals to the square root of this thing. 25 square plus 32 square minus 2 times 25 times 32 cosine angle 120 square root. And this will give me a value of 49.487. 5 significant figures. 49.5 meter 3SF. Okay, so that will be for part A and part B. Part C, find the angle of elevation of T from A. So going back to this diagram here, then I will then take out my ruler so that I hope that you all can see. I'm going to draw two lines. One line is my TA, and the other line will be my AC. Because then I need you all to see that this is in fact a right angle triangle. Okay, so there are two parts to solving part C. Part 1, we already know what is AC. Yes, But if we know what is my TC, that would be great. So my TC, right, which is this red color length here, I will be looking at T, C, D first. That will allow me to find my TC. How? CD and AB are the same. Parallelogram, 32. So step 1, I do need to know what is my TC. So TC is using Tuakaso. Which ratio should I use? This is opposite side, this is adjacent side with respect to angle 27 degree. Yes. So you will see tangent 27 degree is equal to opposite over adjacent. So therefore, I will get my TC very easily, multiplying 32 on both sides. And because this is not the final answer at this point, I leave it as such. Now is to focus back on my purple color triangle, which happens to be a right angle triangle that I'm going to draw out. T, C, A. And TC, I got my answer previously, 32 tangent, 27 degree. AC, I also got it previously, 49.487. Angle of elevation of T from A, we are talking about this angle here. So this will be my opposite side, adjacent side with Tuakaso again. OA, OA. You will see Mr. Tan applying tangent again. So angle CAT, opposite, which is my 32 tangent, 27 degree, dividing by 49.487. So I will be able to get my angle CAT now. This will give me a value of 18.236 to find SF, 18.2 degrees to 1 decimal place, and therefore the angle, best presentation, ladies and gentlemen, angle of elevation of T from A, 18.2 degrees, 1 decimal place. With that, we have come to the end of this question and this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.